Hello YouTube, once again I am Akash Agarwal here from Basic Tips and Tricks, and today I'm going to show you that how you can apply VPN, that is virtual proxy network, on your PC or computer or laptop. So let me tell you what is VPN. VPN is known as virtual proxy network, which currently changes your public IP, that is public internet protocol. With the help of that, some sites may be blocked in your country, so that by applying the virtual proxy network, that is proxy, you can unblock that sites, and you can also have very much benefits from them. So first of all, let me show you a simple method, but by this method only web browser will get the proxy network. So first of all, I am showing you that how you can apply proxy on Google Chrome. So let's open it, and after opening that, you must search on Google that hotspot shield Chrome extension. And after, you can see the first, you have to go to the first link, that is, and open in new tab. This is the link for the extension, which will be given in the description also. And yes, here you can see this pop-up, that is hotspot for hotspot shield free VPN proxy, that is unblock sites etc. Unblock any blocked site and stay secure with hotspot shield. Easy use with one click activation, unlimited and completely free, as I told you. And with the help of this, you may get unlimited access to of this software, but you must remember that it does not provide any virtual location for free forever, as the virtual location means that the connection to all the countries all over the globe. So after this, you must click on this button, that is add to Chrome. This is blue colored button, and then click on add extension, and you can see here CRX file will start downloading. And I think so that the extension had been downloaded, and it may take some time for coming into your web browser. So let's wait for that. Now you will see the pop-up message. Actually it had been gone so fast, so that I was unable to capture that. And after adding, you can see here the fourth button, that is red colored, and click on that. And after clicking on this, is just skip the tutorial, that is by clicking on got it. And then here you can see click this button to start connection. So click on this blue button, and you will see this moving. And after this, you can see that our proxy is connected. So first of all, let me show you by proof. And now by clicking searching my IP address, and you can see here my IP address. And after applying the virtual proxy network, that is proxy, you may see that my public address will be changed. Now once again search on IP, and then yes, let me refresh this page, and then you can see here again and again my Wi-Fi, public IP is keeping changing. Now also let me reload. Yes, you can see that my IP is not stable, it keeps changing, so that it is used to hide your original IP, that is of your PC or laptop or any other thing. So in this we can see that in the in this option, that is extension option, we are unable to use virtual locations, but I had already used it before, so I am unable to use it. But if you are a user that you are installing the first time, you will be able to use them around 7 days, or it may be more. And after that, you may only get this option, that is default location. You will not be able to use any other virtual location, that is any other country. And the second option is that only that you can search for download link of Hotspot Shield software. This is the website for the Hotspot Shield proxy provider, and you can see this here. Two versions are coming, free download and get a light version. This version is by paid only, so I prefer you, if you don't want to use for professional use, you can use the software that is for free downloadable. And after downloading that, you must install the software and it won't ask for your sign up or sign in, and you will be able to use it forever free. It will not charge you any money, so you can use this for applying proxy network in your PC. But please remember that if you add this proxy extension in the web Chrome browser, you will not be able to use that in any other browsers except this. So if you use the software, it is best by the help of the software you will be the proxy will stay in all your PC and laptop or whatever you are using. And the second VPN provider is Pure VPN that I am also use. That is, let me search. Yes, this is the software I am using currently, and this is the website for that. That is www.purevpn.com. And after this, you will see that get Pure VPN. And actually, there in this also there are many versions available, like uh, free version and paid version also. So we will be choosing free version, and click on get Pure VPN. Here you can see that it is showing only paid options for that, but you will see here with YVPN with 7 days money back guarantee. So it will not be, I do not prefer you this, so that if you use for professional use, this is very good. And I think so that its free version is also available, as I am using the free version. Let me show you the link for that. Actually, on the official website, it is not available to download the software for free. So you may use this website, that is download.cnet.com, which is a very good website, and you can download it by going through this website. Or I may give the link in the description for downloading this software for free. Now here you can see that download now, click button, click this button and you will be taken to the download website, and the software will start download. And after installing the setup, it will ask you about entering or creating your account on VPN. So after that you must create account on VPN, Pure VPN, and you have to confirm it also, and after confirmation you will be able to use that. I had already downloaded it. Let me see that where is it. I think so that I had deleted this. Let me find this. So you can see here the download will start. If the download does not start, you can click on this button, that is restart the download, and you will see here the setting for Pure VPN setup. I had already downloaded it, as I had told you. So let's see that where I had the setup. And yes, here the setup I downloaded recently. And after installing it, as I told you that it will be asked for sign up, so you must sign up to use the software. So after signing in up, you must confirm your email account also. Then after you will confirm your email account, you will be able to use the software. Let me open it and see you. So now let me copy paste the setup and bring the setup to desktop. So this is the setup, and after clicking on this, open the setup, and it will ask for you to about administrator permission. Allow it and click on next, and then accept the agreement, and then next. Here you can see according to you only, and then finally next, and click on install. You will see that the software starts to install. This process is very quick, you can see. Yes, now you can see that it had finished installation, just few minutes left. So actually, and here you must click on install. Yes, you can see here that it had been installed, and click on launch Pure VPN, and that it will launch. Now it will show you that login with your Pure VPN account. So you must enter your VPN username here, and you must enter your VPN password here. So actually, I had already an account, but I am creating a new account to show you that how you can create. So let me enter my email ID, that is, and then click on sign up. You can also sign up with Facebook or Gmail, Google Plus, and you must enter the verification code. So let's check the verification code. You will receive the verification code in your email address. So we are going to open that. You can see here. So you can see this. It is loading our email inbox. And you can see here we had received an email from PureVPN. Now you can see this email had been opened, and it will show you the verification code. So let me enter the verification code into the setup of, and what was the verification code? Let me enter it, and then click on submit. It will verify the code, and after it will verify, you must select the need for which you want to apply proxy. For example, I am selecting here that I want to unblock. By this, unblock any website and every website with a few clicks, and select it, and then you can use only one mode. So let me select this and click on next, and after clicking on next, you will see that the dashboard is being shown, and you will see here that it is showing. Later you can also change the purpose for your, that is, here are very much purpose given. So let's move to apply the proxy, and after it, click on global map, and here you can see the servers, and you can search any country and any state, and can, for example, I am choosing here that Seychelles, and then click the city, and then click on connect. So after click on connect, it will show you the connecting message, and you can see here it is showing that the duration from the length from the time you are connecting to this server, and it will fetch your IP automatically, and it will fetch your location. So you can see here my IP had been changed once again, and we can also check it by searching the IP on Google. That is, just type IP and click on enter. Sorry, something happened. Actually, uh, sorry. First of all, checking, you must disable this extension first. and then now search on IP. Actually, it won't work until you disable the another extension. So first of all, I'm removing this extension, and after successfully removing, you must restart the browser, and after that you must search IP, and now you can see my public IP address, that is 172.11.111.228.11, as you can match it with here. And you can see this Google last extension is also changed, that is becoming .co.za. So that's all. फिर बोलने लगी यार.